Utkal, the land of excellence in art. The culture and tradition is incomparable. Babulal Doshi, a man of culture. Despite all obstacles, he promoted performing arts of Odisha with the help of some of his friends. The creation of Kala Vikash Kendra on 10th August 1952 was a result of his hardcore efforts. It is well managed by lifetime members and a trust board. The institute provides training in dance, song, painting, etc. The institution has collaborated with Akhil Bharat Gandharv Mahavidyalaya, Miraj of Maharashtra, Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy, and Lalit Kala Academy. The center has 8 big rooms, 2 small classrooms, and a mini auditorium on the first floor. On the ground floor, there is an office, a museum, and a conference hall. Girls' hostel, library, and a 750-seater AC auditorium are the attractions of the center. Babulal Doshi insisted the teachers to collect authentic artifacts from palm leaf manuscripts and temple arts about ancient song and dance forms. The dedication of 10 years from 1954 to 1964 finally caught the attention of researchers and the Department of Culture. As a result, in 1966, Kendriya Sangeet Natak Academy recognized Odissi dance as a classical dance form. The dedication of the Kendra created a golden chapter for Odisha. The contributions of Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra in the field of dance and Sangeet Sudhakar Balakrishna Das in music have had a huge impact towards the special recognition of the Kendra. Padma Shri Sanjukta Panigrahi, Padma Vibhushan Sonal Mansingh, Padma Shri Kumkum Mahanti, Hare Krishna Behera, Ramani Ranjan Jaina, and many more gurus were created from this Kendra. Music gurus like Rakhal Mahanti, Raghunath Nanda, Khitish Chandra Maitra, Bikari Bala are the renowned music gurus of the Kendra. The legendary singer Akhay Mahanti is also a student of this institution. Foreign students, after completion of their course at the Kendra, are now well established in countries like USA, Canada, Germany, Australia, etc., and are teaching others. The dance dramas of this Kendra are popular throughout India and globally as well. Eminent personalities like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, UNO of Burma, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, R. Venkatraman, Shankar Dayal Sharma have highly praised the dance drama forms of the Kendra. The students of the Kendra have performed their art at Doordarshan, Taj Mahotsav, Konark Nritya Mahotsav, Rajarani Mahotsav, Mukteshwar Nritya Mahotsav, and have also been invited to perform at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Economically weaker students of the society, with the help of Cuttack Municipal Corporation, are being provided free dance and song classes. Justice Deepak Mishra Scholarship is awarded every year to the needy students. Pratibha Anvesana, a talent show, is organized every year with a gathering of 300 students. In 2003, the Kendra celebrated the golden history of 50 years all year long. Folk dance forms of 7 districts have been researched and documented. Research is continuing even today. Keeping with the core values, efforts are still being made to preserve Odissi dance and music. Our culture, our pride. Bande Utkala Janani.